Hello, my friends. Armand Adrian, the founder and CEO of Roulette.com. We change a little bit the habit, the position, and I make a new tutorial for you guys, worldwide people who talk in English and who wanna have an idea about roulette. I'm here over 10 years and I will be here. And you need to know my experience and my students' experience to understand how can I teaching you, how can I helping you if you really want succeed in beating roulette. Now I know 99% of you don't believe that is possible. 13 years ago, I discovered the secret on defeating roulette. At that time, there was nobody to tell me, yes, Adrian, it's possible to defeat roulette. Nobody. I would start the journey on my own. I started the journey when I knew 4 guys from Hungary who made more than 35,000 euro in 2003, 2004. They made around 35,000 euro, 35,000 euro in 2 hours. And I talk with me even today why I have been there to know that these guys have defeated roulette. In the moment they was being paid by the CEO of the casino, he told to them to not come back anymore in the casino because they are not allowed anymore to stay in the casino. This was the only thing which made me fight to defeat roulette. Why 4 guys who was playing legally, they have been banned from playing in that casino? Why? That's the question which I put in 2004. Why they are banned? Because they didn't done nothing legally. They played. I know how they played now. Today I know how they played, but they played correctly. They didn't done no illegally. So why, when they win, they are banning you, and when you lose, they letting you stay? So in that moment, I knew that there is a secret to defeat roulette, and even casino owners knows that there is a secret. I knew that. Even today, when you were gonna study my DVD 5,000 euro, you will understand what I say, that they know the secret. But they can't stop the secret because 99% of people, they are losing money. One moment. Okay, my friends. So where we were. Now, how did these guys was banned to play in the casino only because they won 35,000 euros? Why is that possible? So I asked myself 16 years ago, of course, and I studied roulette, but at some point I wanted to quit studying roulette because I was thinking that there is nothing what I can do. So, of course, I fight to know the secret of defeating roulette. Because if these guys knew to defeat roulette, I will do too. So this is how I defeat and found the secret of beating roulette. It took me tons of years to understand the secret. It takes you years of playing on real money, because it's useless if you play in fun mode. The action is when you play on real money. That's the only way in which you can defeat roulette, when you play on real money, because it's useless if you play on fun money. But now, what I want to tell you is that you see me as an example that yes, roulette can be defeated. Even if you were gonna buy my DVD 5,000 euro, or if you were gonna study on your own to defeat roulette, you have a real proof that yes, roulette can be defeated. Me and my students, we defeat roulette. So if you know that, it will be much easier for you to fight hard to defeat roulette. Casinos knows that we can defeat roulette, but we are so few people, even less than 1% who understand roulette. 99% of the people are losing at roulette. So for them, you who are gonna make 3,000, 5,000 euro per month, they will say nothing about that money. You got my point? Even if you make only 3,000 euro per month, if you pay me 5,000 euro is not enough, is not okay, just think about it. I have students who make 80,000 unites, which is RON, pounds, euros, 80,000. This is how good they have become. You can make 20, 30,000. Just watch my sessions. Go to my regrule.com website and watch the sessions. Hundreds of thousands of pounds and euros. Yes, roulette can be defeated. And if you don't trust me, don't buy nothing from me. But remember, I know to defeat roulette, me and my students. So you can defeat too. Go search, work hard, and you will know to defeat roulette. If you don't want to invest so much years and time and money, come back, pay me 5,000 euro for the DVD Anatomy of Roulette, and I will teach you to defeat roulette. The DVD without my assistance is useless. You need to have my assistance. That's how I create the DVD. But once I assisting you and I'm making you understand step by step how to do it, you will become a winner. Best regards, my friends. And if I make it, if my students can make it with my help, you will gonna make it, my friend. God bless you, and trust me, roulette has been defeated for 13 years now. Bye-bye.